According to Camille, 14 kilometers for this tour.
No, according
Why they are there? Going there?
because another tour.
Another tour. Our tour is here.
Yes.
That is expensive, their tour?
Yes.
Okay. How beautiful this place. I love it. But expensive. Of course, oh, this is Lotus. In that in that side.
Ayun ang coral.
Row the boat. Row the boat. Row the boat. Yeah, this beautiful island. It's not totally green.
Sila
Huh?
din pupunta doon sa kabila.
I don't know. This one? Ay. Okay naman ang payo.